this video tutorial, we will be making a project using RGB LED. For that, the components we need is one Arduino UNO board, one breadboard, some jumper wires. We need 3 resistors, which are of resistance 220 ohms. And last, we need one RGB LED. So, at first, let us look at the RGB LED pins. So, in this, we get 4 pins. This pin over here is the red. This pin, second one, is anode. Third one is green. Fourth one is blue. I again repeat, this one is red, this one is anode, third pin is the green, fourth is the blue. Connect it to your breadboard like this. And take the resistors. I will take firstly one resistor. And connect it to the red. There's one over here. And take another resistor. And connect it to the green. And one more resistor. And connect it to the blue. And now we need wires. So I will take one wire and connect it to the blue. And then I will connect it to one green. Then I will connect one wire to the anode pin. And at last we will connect it to the red. So first we will connect this red pin to the 9th of Arduino. And take this blue wire, which is the anode. We will connect this to the 5 volt off. And then we are having this green black wire, which we will connect to 10. And yellow wire, which is blue, we will connect this to the 11 pin. Now we are done with the connections. So let us code now. At first, we will define out the pins. We have red pin. So we have connected red pin to at 9, 10, and green pin, which we have connected to 10. And next we have blue pin, which is connected to 11 pin. So we're done with this. And next, in the void setup, we will write out pin mode red pin to be as output. It will give the output of red pin. We will do same thing for other pins as well. And this over here I will use green. In this blue. Now we are done with void setup also. So I repeat the code. So in the first line, we have red pin. So we have connected red pin to the 9th and green pin to the 10th. And in the third line, we have connected blue pin to 11th line. Next, we started up with the void setup, which runs only once. In this, we define the pins that whether they are output or input. So in this, we define that red pin, green pin, and blue pin will be output. And next, we're gonna write out with void loop. So in the void loop, so at first we are gonna start with basic colors. Okay, so basic colors. In the first, we are gonna take colors to be as 255. This is the red color, and 0 green color and 0 white color, blue color. Put a semicolon. So what actually it will do, it will turn the RGB LED to red. It will turn the RGB LED to red. And I will write out a delay as 1000 seconds, 1000 milliseconds. Now next I'm gonna copy out this code. Control C. Next, in this, red will be 0 and green will be on. And at last, we are gonna write with the blue, and red will be 0 to blue. Now we are done with basic colors. Now over here, I will explain some blended colors. I will comment this one. Examples of blended colors. In this one, I will mix some colors. So at first, I'm taking 255% of red and 255% of green and 0 of blue. So what color it will make? It will create a yellow color. And we will put a delay of 1000 seconds, 1000 milliseconds. And next, we're gonna blend all 3 colors. I will copy this one out to 255. Which color it will create? It will create a white color. I'll create. Now in the last, I'm gonna take, I will make the LED off for some time. Now color. So we're done with colors. Now in the next, we're gonna create one function. So out of this void loop, we will create one function, which is void color. In this, I'm gonna give some values, which is red, val, and next is int green, val, next is int blue, val. So close this one. So it is a color function. And next, we're gonna start up. It is showing that it will come in. Now in this, I will start up with the curly parentheses. In this, I will write analog read. Analog write. What analog write to be red pin, whose value will be red value. We will create same thing for all others. next, and next. So in this, I will write green, and this will be blue. Blue. Now we're done with all the code, so let us verify this. So it's being done. So we're done with the code. Now upload this code using this button to your Arduino UNO board, and it will work fine. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching our video.